Welcome to the wonderful world of garlic, everything you need to know. Get ready to explore the magic of this powerful bulb. Garlic is more than just a seasoning. It's a centuries-old superfood with incredible flavor and health benefits. Let's start with the basics. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is a species in the onion genus Allium. It's native to Central Asia and has been a staple in kitchens globally for thousands of years. Why is garlic a kitchen staple? Its pungent, savory flavor elevates almost any dish, making it indispensable in diverse cuisines. Plus, it's packed with nutrients, classifying it as a true superfood. Beyond its flavor, garlic is celebrated for its medicinal properties. Let's explore some of the amazing health benefits that this humble bulb offers. Garlic's health power comes largely from sulfur compounds, especially allicin. This compound is activated when fresh garlic is crushed or chopped, giving it that characteristic aroma and many of its therapeutic effects. Garlic is a fantastic immune booster. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help the body fight off illness and combat oxidative stress. Regular garlic consumption is linked to significant benefits for cardiovascular health, including helping to lower high blood pressure and reducing bad cholesterol levels. Now for the fun part, cooking. Garlic's versatility makes it a must-have ingredient, whether you're searing, roasting, or simmering. Garlic comes in many forms: fresh cloves, powdered, minced, or granulated. Fresh garlic offers the strongest flavor and most health benefits, while powders are great for quick seasoning. To get the best flavor, crush the clove first to easily remove the skin. Mincing or crushing fresh garlic maximizes allicin production, giving you the best of both flavor and health. Garlic pairs perfectly with virtually all savory dishes, from pasta sauces and stir-fries to roasted meats and vegetables. It truly enhances almost every savory flavor. For the freshest garlic, why not grow your own? It's surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. Plant individual cloves, root end down, in well-drained soil in the fall. Harvest in early summer when the lower leaves start to turn yellow. It requires patience, but the fresh taste is worth it. Store unpeeled garlic bulbs in a cool, dry, and dark place with good air circulation. Never refrigerate fresh bulbs, as this encourages sprouting. That wraps up our journey through the wonderful world of garlic. Let's quickly review why this ingredient deserves a prime spot in your pantry. Remember, garlic is a flavor powerhouse, a natural immune booster, and a valuable aid for heart health, thanks to compounds like allicin. Whether you're cooking or seeking health benefits, don't shy away from garlic. Start incorporating more of this amazing bulb into your daily routine for a delicious and healthy boost.